Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So, Mamo Bhatmano Vartante means that just like on the top of, just like there are so many skyscraper buildings in America, 105 stories, I think that is the latest. So suppose you have to go to the topmost flat, there is staircase, so everyone is trying to go there. But someone has passed, say, 10 steps, another has passed, say, 50 steps, another has 100 steps, but you have to complete, say, 2,000 steps. So, the staircase is the same, Mamo Bhatmano Bhartanti, because the aim is to go to the topmost flat. But the one who has passed 10 steps, he is lower than one who has passed 50 steps. And the one who has passed 50 steps is lower than who has passed 100 steps. So similarly, there are different processes, but all the processes are not the same. They are aiming at the same goal, karma, jnana, yoga, bhakti. But bhakti is the highest step. Because when you come to the platform of bhakti, then you can understand what is Krishna. Not by karma, jnana, yoga. That is not possible. You have tried, you are going towards that aim, but Krishna says, bhaktamam abhijana. He does not say by jnana, by karma, by yoga. No. That you cannot understand. You can go forward, steps, but if you want to know Krishna, then bhakti. Bhaktamam abhijanati, javanyaschani. This is the path. Therefore, Mamo Bhatmano Bhartanti means everyone is trying to come to me according to their capacity, ability. But one who actually wants to understand me, the simple process, just like this, the staircase is there, but not in this country, in European, American countries, side by side there is lift, elevator. So instead of going step by step to the highest flat, you take the help of this lift, you go immediately within a second. So if you take the lift of bhakti, then immediately you come in contact with Krishna directly. Instead of going by step by step by step. Why should you take? Therefore Krishna said, Sarva dharman parityajya mam ekam saranam. You simply surrender unto me. Your business is finished. Why should you labor so much, step by step by step by step? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,